All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do your high pass, low pass filters first. So what we have to do here is, since you have so much power, we have to utilize the filters to limit excursion. You're still gonna get those frequencies above 50 hertz,
but it's gonna tone them down.
It's gonna tone them down.
I like that.
That's what we need to do.
Yeah.
You got tones, right?
I guess I already on a repeating 40 hertz.
Okay, do you have do you got a 45 hertz?
Yeah.
All right. All right, so 2.45. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm waiting for this this to, oops, see how it starts dropping?
Okay.
All right, so now I got to wait for the track to reset because it rolls in and out. So it's at 2.45, so now we're at, so, okay. So see how it starts going down a little bit?
Yep.
It goes up a little bit as I go up. So what I'm looking for is right when it stops going up. So right there, see how it just kind of went down a little bit?
Yep.
That's your filter is now set at 45 hertz.
Okay.
All right. So now we'll go down and we'll do, let's say, what's the lowest you play? Like
23 maybe.
23?
24, 23.
So let's set it to like, let's just set it to 25.
Okay.
So play a 25 frequency, and now we'll set our subsonic.
So and then that's the
Subsonic.
subsonic. Okay.
Yep. So subsonic, and so like if you ever get an amp that says high pass filter, so like here, high pass filter is anything above that will get passed through. So whatever you set it to, it's a high pass. So any frequency higher than what you set it to gets passed to the speakers. All right, turn it up a little bit more. Cool. And the volume's kind of arbitrary, so it really don't matter. You just got to watch. You got to turn the filter all the way off. You know, the volume don't matter really, and then just wait. And as you turn it up, you'll see it'll start moving, and then that's set. You know, so now you're set to 25 hertz as long as that thing moves a little bit. You know. So we'll just check it again.
Yeah, I went in there. I'm like, oh, 29. That's not what I put it on.
Right. Well, the beautiful part about this. Well, that's interesting.
What?
Oh shit! I'm on the gain. Huh.
Well, that's not making sense. Well, what's going on here?
Right? All right. My bad.
Again.
Yep. All right.
Well, again, it's just not me.
So right there, yeah, we'll just get her to drop a little bit and good to go. So now you're set to 25 hertz. So we'll do it at 35, and I'm gonna go to clip.
Okay.
So I'm not gonna stop until I hit clip.
If I hear some mechanical fucking noise, just
turn it down and I'll stop
down.
turning it up.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Gain is all the way down right now. Yep. Are you good, or is that just the track?
What's that?
Is that just the track?
Yeah, the track just keeps resetting. I can see you in this mirror.
Oh, okay.
You can wave at me. I've been watching you.
Okay.
Try again?
Yep. So that was,
Smell glue.
so yeah, it's getting some distortion, but it's still not technically clipping yet. So
Well, come smell the smell. I think it's just glue. I don't know if that's fucking coil or not, or what. Maybe they're like, ooh, finally some real power.
yeah, so yeah, I mean, we might need to turn it down a little bit, but, and it could be dipping into the clip, but I got 190 volts. That's a lot. Like,
Wow.
go ahead, listen to a song. we'll just see what happens here. And if we feel like we need to turn it down, we'll turn it down a little bit. I just want to watch the scope when you play something that you would normally play, you know? You're only getting like 160 volts, so that's pretty good.
Yeah, I turned it down to fucking 6.
Okay, let's listen.
They're moving too much air.
Sickest video of you shaking the garbage can top,
Dude.
just dancing up and down.
Dude, my eyes.
Fucking Anton's having problems over
Right,
here.
the fucking low note hits, right? And my glasses go like this. Struggle bus.
So we gotta make some.
So I think we got to make some port adjustments.
Okay.
Yeah, because you can tell it's even stronger on those 35 hertz notes now than the low notes.
Yeah. Are you all right?
Yeah. Dude, I'm telling you, this shit fucking. Just don't wear your glasses in the port. It'll fucking rip them right off.
All right, I'm on then.
My goodness. That port is.
Model's like, hey, come on, I want to try.
Show me the balcony looking over the Hollywood Valley. I'll make your balloon pop.
But I haven't plugged one of these in yet.
Yeah, let's check it out.
So
Now,
while
I've seen
we're
a
here-
couple where like, so this isn't a Cat 5 cable. All right, I just found that out like
Wasn't
yesterday.
that what they were marketing?
Yeah,
it
it's well, so it's not a normal Cat 5 cable. So if you look at
as?
it,
It's got extra.
yep, it's got
twists in it or
extra
something?
pins.
Oh,
So
Jesus.
it's like 10 pin versus 8 or something like that.
Oh, so it's like, is it like a Cat 6? or something?
It's a special cable. It's like it's a JTC 50 or something. I don't know.
It's just some stuff
So
like this.
so here's what I've had people complain about so far or seen.
I just saw that.
Is that it's loose. So like they're getting poor connections on some amplifiers. Not all amplifiers, but some amplifiers.
You see, it should be a nice tight connection like that. See, look at that. That's pretty.
So
that's kind of poor.
So that's what I've seen a couple of complaints on that. But other than that, I mean, here, I can hold it.
You got it. I'm gonna turn it back on.
So this is the only way to get your clip light. Also, 15.2.
Look at that, huh, bud?
Word. That's sick. How hot are they?
84
degrees.
They're smoking, bud.
I mean, it's pretty cold out
Room
though.
temperature.
So yeah, that is way cool. I like this knob. Here, we'll have to crank her up to max. Just leave her there. That's neat. I wonder if here actually, do you got your other one with? No?
No, I didn't bring both of them.
Oh, okay.
I thought about it. Why?
I was thinking like if you could do 2 of them, that might be cool. Like if you could mount like this. I don't know if it would work though.
So how does that work with strapped amps though? What is it just reading this amp for like temperature and stuff?
That's my theory. That's what I was wondering. So here, power it down. Let's plug it into the
Out of the other one?
Yeah, let's just test it. Let's see what happens. It can't damage anything, so
No.
might be
I
difficult.
don't know if that works with
Because I wonder, obviously, like the gain portion shouldn't work if you plug it into the slave amp. All right, yeah, that is way loose. Like,
you got that fucker in there all the way?
yeah, it clicked.
Well, it doesn't always mean that it's
All right, hey now. We'll see. Does it turn on? It does. 84 degrees. So
Is it the same? They're
Yeah.
reading about the same?
yep. So
Maybe it
it'd
does read. I don't know.
be interesting to know if you could at least monitor both amps.
Maybe I'll bring the I'll bring the other knob later
Yeah,
when I come
we'll
back.
check it out and see what
And we'll
happens.
see if they fluctuate.
God.
We'll give her some beans. Do you notice what I did too?
Yeah, you swapped her out.
All of them. I
Well,
said, fuck it.
it's
I
worth it.
had to for the back one. And I'm like, I don't want to have 3 different hexes,
Right.
Phillips. I did, although, leave the Phillips for the remote wires because you don't need a lot of torque on them
No,
fucking
yeah,
things.
exactly.
So I left the Phillips in for that one. And I did have to move this fan.
Yeah, I noticed that. You moved it upward a little bit.
Yeah. I didn't have to touch that one. I think that's right in a prime condition. It'll blow
Yeah,
right through
I like it.
the middle of them.
Yeah.
Oh, good girls.
Dude, straight up.
Good girls.
Monster amplifiers. I think there's more in the tank too. I bet you if once we get that port
We can
opened
change
up a
it,
little
right?
bit, I think we'll be able to basically adjust it some. So you're pretty happy with those suckers?
Absolutely. We got to get working on this port though.
Yeah, we got to get this port redesigned. A little bit of changes here and there, maybe shrink the sealed side some, but so far so good.
I think the port is probably first, and then
Yeah.
we'll see what happens after that. Because there's
Right.
a lot of air trying to come out of there, and it ain't happening.
Right, yeah, we're not really running into mechanical noise yet, so I think the sealed side's fine. Sealed side's large on this. It's like 2.5 per sub, so might need to shrink it, might not. We'll see what happens. Yeah, man. Looks clean.